So one of the oddest and yet one of my most favorite parts of Japan, besides onigiri, is the vending machines. These things are flipping everywhere. And I think my favorite part of all is just there's something new in each one. I mean, usually you see kind of the same standard stuff, but the adventure, if it's your first time here, is getting to try out most, if not all of these. Sometimes you even luck out. If it's not in blue, it's in red, it's hot. So they have coffee, milk tea. We got a good variety of green tea. This is usually a culture shock right here because it has no sugar. And then some other ones, like a grape drink from Fanta. There's a peach tea I came across this trip. Really like that. And then you got your sport drink, Coca-Cola, and some water. So there you go. All right, so I think I'm gonna have some of that peach tea. Boop. Oh, that's the good stuff right there. Oh, peach tea. And then I drop all my coins on the ground. Yay! All right, I'm gonna try this one out. See how this turns out. That's pretty good. Another? Ooh, why not? I'll have a milk tea. Convenience size. So you notice the price is $130, $160. They basically price these a little bit more because they're convenient. Oh, that's good. Really good culture of recycling. Green tea, cold. Sabui desu. Right. And more coins. Yes, they even have a vending machine for that. All right, life lesson. Tea is a diuretic. Therefore, if you drink this much tea, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man.